Hello, my name is Sabina Meth and I'm here today to talk to you about factoring. Factoring is a very common practice of selling your receivables in order to meet day-to-day cash flow needs. Many companies will buy your receivables or active invoices at a discounted price and wait for your customers to pay them while you can use the funds to fund your business and run your operations on a daily basis. Factoring has been around for thousands of years. However, even the most commonplace businesses might not be aware of this innovative solution available to them. Interface Financial Group is a spot factoring company. It's one of the only ones in North America and the best around, in my opinion. They help you to factor your receivables in a short period of time, usually 2 to 3 days, sometimes even 24 hours. And help you get your business running off the ground by taking away your invoices and giving you cash in their place. This practice is most commonly used by construction companies and transportation companies. However, with the economy's downturn, there have been many other companies that have needed our services and have been satisfied and more than satisfied by these services. The Interface Financial Group helps you to turn your invoices into ready cash, which you can use today instead of waiting 30 to 60 or even 90 days for these invoices to be paid by your customer. As long as you have a viable business and a qualified customer, this is an easy and innovative way of solving your cash flow problems.